go.
I can't no more. Yeah. Woo!
Welcome back to a new YouTube video.
Woo! Today we do something different, but first,
please don't forget to like this video and also subscribe and follow us here on our channel.
yeah, we do different every time. I feel
Yeah,
like.
we're trying new stuff.
We're experimenting.
Yeah,
Bear with us.
bear with us.
As you can see, we have a theme today. It's anime.
Whee! We're gonna have an anime quiz.
Yeah.
The quiz is about anime.
No way.
And different sounds.
We are gonna show each other 6 each sound effects from different animes. If we do this sound, it's from
Nice.
One Piece.
It's from One Piece.
It's like that.
And we have 3 different levels. We have level 1, that's the easiest level, with 2 soundtracks each. And then we have level 2, it's a bit harder. And then level 3, that it's supposed to be kind of, yeah.
So it's easy, medium, hard.
Yeah. We have to have something for the loser.
Yeah.
The one who loses will have to eat the buldak noodles.
Spicy little noodle thingy.
Yeah.
I will not lose.
Oh, this helps.
And the winner is what? Just watch it.
Just, yeah, laughing.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
That's it! So let's get started!
Okay, let's go.
Please note my stickers.
Hey,
Oh shit, I'm nervous.
are you ready?
No.
Question number 1.
Should I know this?
Yes, you should know this.
Is this easy?
This is easy.
I know the song.
You know where it is from!
I don't know.
Ask me 2 questions.
Is it a new, old anime?
Yeah.
Cardcaptor Sakura? I don't know his
No.
name. Okay.
So it's old, but it's also not that old.
I don't know. I don't know.
You want me to tell you?
Yeah.
It's from Hunter x Hunter! It's this little shit.
I've only seen it once. Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah. Again?
It's quite annoying.
Have you seen this?
He's looking at
I'm looking at the posters. Is it a main character?
the voice.
Yeah.
No.
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 Full Metal Alchemist.
No.
Fuck!
You want to see
Yeah.
what it is?
Oh!
The Dempsey roll.
A Dempsey roll! Next, easy.
0-0.
Yes.
Akira.
No.
No?
Listen to it. Listen to it. Listen to it. What does it sound like? Try to find.
Is it Chainsaw Man?
I was
I
like-
was like looking at it and I was thinking, no, it's way too easy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Hey!
I got 1 point.
What?
One more time.
Yeah. There's so much happening.
I think I did it way too hard. Kill la Kill.
Oh, Kill la Kill.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Okay.
0 points.
0 points.
Okay, here it comes.
Is it Cowboy Bebop?
No.
Oh,
very...
the first sound is I really recognize that.
Yeah. What does it sound like?
It sounds like something is hitting, like two metals or something. Is it full metal?
Yeah!
Okay.
It's the...
Oh!
2 points!
Woo!
What? It sounds like Attack on Titan. It is?
Yeah.
Hey!
Yay! Nice!
Yay! 1 point!
Is that Cowboy Bebop?
No.
I hear the swords
Yeah.
and I hear water.
Yeah.
Oh! Is it him from Demon Slayer?
Demon Slayer.
Seaweed hair.
It's just the instant.
Okay, okay.
It's-
Hey!
Hey!
Okay, okay, cool.
Right? It's water and sword.
Yes, water is sword. Okay, this I think this should be easy. I think. Tony's last level 2.
Yes. Which laser beam of every laser beam? I recognize it. It's fucking hell.
You.
Is it Yu Hakusho?
Yeah.
Is it the spirit gun?
Yeah. Level 3.
The hardest level.
Oh fuck.
Again?
Yeah. Oh, I recognize this so much. Now you realize what have I been watching. You can't really
No, I know.
like place everything. Dun dun. Oh! It's Nashville.
And you're like watching it now.
Yeah, I'm watching it right now.
Is it on Tumblr?
Yeah.
Oh!
Yeah.
Are you ready?
No,
Tell me when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Final round.
Okay, one more time. Is it Chopper?
No.
No.
Like every question that we ask each other is
The same question.
Is it new? Have you seen it?
I'm just gonna guess, is it the Apothecary Diaries?
Yeah.
Yeah, because I was like, I recognize the voice, but I can't really put the pew 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 into the...
It's when
Context.
she was excited about a drug, I think.
Ah, okay, makes sense.
Poison.
Okay, are you ready for the last one?
Yeah.
I think this is really easy.
Fuck, I recognize it so well. Isn't you no Game of Life?
No,
One eternity later.
the anime itself. And that's why they're so dirty. Every time they try.
Shokugeki.
Yeah.
No Soba. Oh! It took me 10 years. And I recognized that.
Yeah, the sound, it's always the same sound.
Yes. Oh my.
So the points are 5, 3. Way! I thought I was gonna lose.
Thought I was gonna win. So
Then you're
yeah.
the loser, so I'm gonna give you this.
Yes. Thank you. Get ready to cook with me.
I actually feel kind of bad
Why?
because you're gonna eat something spicy.
It's okay. I like spicy.
Yeah.
My stomach doesn't.
His stomach doesn't like spicy. And that's okay.
Here's the spice.
This?
No, it's okay. I feel like it's hot.
Are you gonna eat here?
I feel like it's warm. Oh! Oh! I need water. Oh!
Are you keeping the water in your mouth?
Oh, spicy.
Can I see your lips? Don't. Not much left.
You wanna
can
try?
Yeah.
Try it.
Yeah, I remember it was really spicy.
It hurts.
Oh my god. It's spicy. You want milk?
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, that's nice.
I could not eat it all without the milk.
You done?
I can't no more. I'm done. Okay, thank you for today.
Thank you so much for watching.
I hope you liked the video.
Tell us if you like this kind of content. As Tony said, please comment down below.
And comment how many correct answers you got.
Yes, exactly. And see you guys on the next video. Bye!
Bye.
Oh, this helps.